Good day. So today we'll be taking us through how to create an exam record as a staff and also how to add scores to this exam record. Now when it comes to exam record, we have the cumulative exam record and the single exam record. Cumulative exam record consists of first term, second term and third term. So we are going to start with how to create a cumulative exam record. So what do? The first thing to do is to tap process results. Once you click process results, you go to once you click process results, it brings out the list of classes. So all you need to do is to select the class you want to create this exam record for. So I am working with class 1. So I'm going to scroll down and get class 1. So once I get to this page, as you can see, there are no exam records created. So I need to create. So what do? I tap the plus button below where I see a black circle that has plus button in it. I tap it and then it takes me to this page where I see the templates for exam records. We have the score type, we have the score extended, we have the comments type, we have the tick type, we have the landscape. Now score type and score extended and landscape are the same type of exam templates, right? Exam record templates rather. This is when you want to process a score type result for your students. You will have to use score type, score extended or landscape. If you want to create a comment type kind of result, you use the comment type template. If you want to create a tick type kind of result or exam record, you use the tick type template. So what I am trying to create now is a score type kind of result. So I'm going to use the score type. Now I have the themes, right? You have the emerald theme. If you do not want this emerald theme, you can just swipe to get the theme of your choice. So I want to make use of emerald theme, so I'm just going to select the emerald theme and then I'll tap below where I see use this template. So I just tap use this template. It takes me to another page where it requests for the exam record name. So I'm going to enter the exam record name. I want to use cumulative results. That will be the name of this exam record. Now it's asking me for the session. I should select the session. It is 2024-2025. Now it's asking me to select the term. So I'm just going to select term 1 for this exercise. Now it's asking me to select the arm for this exam record. Remember, we have different arms, and in these arms we likely have students in most of the arms. So if you want to process or create this exam record for a particular or for some particular students in an arm, you can just select the arm that the students are in. If you want to process or create this exam record for all the students, all you need to do is just click all arms. It will bring in all the students. Either the student is in arm A, arm B, arm C or arm D, doesn't matter, it takes them all. So as I've selected all arms, it's saying a total of 2 students from the selected class will be added to this exam. You can always update the list later. So I click next, and when I click next, it takes me to the page where it requires me to select my score settings, right? So from here we can see, remember I said that cumulative consists of 3 terms, right? So the maximum obtainable score is going to be 300 because term 1 is over 100, term 2 is over 100, term 3 is over 100. So the first thing you will do is to change this maximum obtainable score to 300 and save. Now from here we have first CA or 1 CA, 2 CA exam. Now remember, this is a cumulative that consists of term 1, term 2 and term 3. So the first column we are going to change it from 1 CA to term 1, and then we're going to change the score to 100. then change CA2 to term 2. And then change the score to 100. Now this exam, you change it to test 1. Test 1. Test 1 probably could be 20. Then turn on this fourth button, right, and then change this to test 2. Then the score would be 20. And then turn on the fifth column and change it to exam over 60. So now this gives us 300. Let's calculate 60 plus 20, that's 80, plus 20, that's 100, plus 100, that's 200, plus 100, that's 300. So we've gotten this maximum obtainable score of 300. Now you can then click the tick icon at the top to save this setting. As you can see, it's showing here now. The next thing you will do is to select your grading system. And then here we have the simple letter grading system, the American grading system,